Cheers. Cheers. So it's Bonfire Night. It stopped raining for a little while. It's been raining a lot today. So I'm just out with the doggies down the seafront because it's quiet here compared to a lot of other places. But the doggies do really get distressed by the noise and the bangs, and personally I don't like the noise and the bangs either. I love the light shows though. But I'm thinking, this is fireworks, and how traumatised the dogs are and the noises are traumatising, but what if they were bombs going off somewhere close by, and there's countries that are living with that, and how traumatising that would be, and traumatising for the children and the families and people being killed. What's it all about? There's been a lot of opposition and I think I'm being removed from a number of WhatsApp groups because I shared about the Public Child Protection Wales case against the Welsh Government and the RSE education of sex education at young ages, and the transgender options to children, which I'm sorry, it's just not appropriate for children. That's my feelings, and I'm entitled to those feelings as anybody else is entitled to theirs. It's hard to know when we're not getting the truth. But the truth is that there are children being put through trans, which when they're adults they may regret. There's numerous cases of people that has happened to, and I'm sorry, but it's not okay to butcher children's bodies, because that's what's happening. It's not okay. They're not able to make that choice at that age. And I ask, why are people not feeling comfortable in their bodies? As a therapist, it's those stress hormones. That lack of connection, that lack of mammalian care, I would say. Mammals have mammary glands for breastfeeding, for connection, and I just see this world is disconnecting us at many levels. Ooh. I thought I was doing Facebook Live, but I've done a video, so I'll upload that to YouTube, and may love be restored, because love is not a cortisol stress hormone, and this world is fueled by stress hormones, by adrenaline and the addictions and the stimulants, and they all run out. People are left on empty and dependent, not free. And no peace. Peace is a consciousness, it's a state of being with a fullness of spirit that only comes from justice, the law to be upheld for peace to prevail. Twofold peace of New Jerusalem for heaven on earth. God bless.